Okay, so here is a Beckham Hotel Collection. This is a king-size pillow.
Thanks a lot to Thrasio for the free product.
And these are super squishy and soft. They also have a cooling technology. This is a 250 count thread count for these pillows. So anyway, this is what it looks like when you take it out of the package and fluff it up. This is what it looks like when you get it in the package. So I was actually going to show you what that looks like. Open this up, and they'll fluff up pretty much immediately when they're ready to go. But these are awesome. These will stay cool and won't make you sweat at night. But anyway, this is the Beckham collection. This is a king size 20 by 36 inches Jello pillow. So they got some really good stuffing inside these pillows, but just definitely want to make a review and highly recommend these. They'll be a great sleep tonight. You should definitely check them out.